Have you got a long video you need to turn into attention-grabbing short clips? HiClip does the heavy lifting. It auto-edits, adds captions, and reframes for social platforms. No editing skills needed. So HiClip is an AI video clipping and repurposing tool. You drop in your long videos or link them, and it auto-generates clips optimized for TikTok, Reels, Shorts, etc. It finds high engagement moments, adds subtitles, reframes for different aspect ratios, and lets you export instantly. In this script, I'll walk you through how it works, its key features, strengths and weaknesses, target users, and whether it's worth adding to your workflow. Since HiClip is a newer AI tool, mainstream reviews are limited, but early users report that it turns long videos into trending shorts and drives more shares with minimal effort because it automates tedious editing tasks. People like its speed and ease. So now let's dive into the core features one by one. So HiClip makes getting started incredibly easy, no complex setup or editing required. The homepage welcomes you with a clean, friendly interface that asks, "What can I do for you?" And you have two quick options to begin. Drop a YouTube link or upload a file. You can even drag and drop videos anywhere on the page, and HiClip AI instantly begins analyzing them for highlight-worthy moments. Below that, a Getting Started section guides new users step by step. Get your first clips, upload your content to generate automatic short clips, link social accounts, connect your TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram for faster sharing, set posting style, suggest, customize your persona and preference tone for how your clips look and sound online. The smart onboarding helps creators jump right in, turning raw footage or YouTube videos into polished, ready-to-post highlights without needing any video editing experience. So that was how you can get started. Now let's talk about the chat-based editing with one-click magic feature. So HiClip's editing system feels more like chatting with a creative assistant than using traditional software. So right after uploading your video or dropping a YouTube link, you'll see a simple prompt asking, how do you want to edit your video? Here you can type your editing request directly, like cut out the pauses and add subtitles, or make a short 30-second highlight for TikTok. The built-in AI chat understands natural language and instantly gets to work. You can also click the Rocket one-click editing button for automated video cleanup, trimming, reframing, and enhancing your footage with zero manual effort. This chat-based workflow completely removes the need for complex timelines or tools. It's perfect for creators who just want to describe their idea and let AI handle the rest, giving you fast conversational control over your entire video editing process. So that was the chat-based editing feature. Now let's talk about a smart social calendar for scheduled posts. HiClip doesn't stop at video creation. It helps you stay consistent too. The social calendar feature lets you view and manage all your scheduled posts across platforms in one organized dashboard. Once your clips are generated and ready, you can choose exact posting dates and times for each, whether for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. The clean monthly view makes it easy to plan your content flow and keep your uploads consistent without juggling multiple apps or reminders. It's perfect for creators or marketing teams who want to stay ahead, batch create short clips, schedule them in advance, and let HiClip handle the timing automatically. No missed uploads, no chaotic posting days, just seamless content automation built right into your video workflow. So those were some of the core features. Now let's see who benefits the most out of this tool. So HiClip is especially good for content creators who publish long-form videos and want to repurpose them, social media marketers who need snackable clips fast, educators or trainers who need short highlights for students, agencies handling multiple platforms and formats. Since no tool is perfect, to get even stronger, HiClip could add manual fine-tuning tools, support batch processing of multiple videos at once, provide templates or style presets, for example, consistent intro or outro, offer project-level editing of multiple clips, management and versioning, increase export resolutions or formats for larger productions. I didn't find any explicit affiliate or referral program for HiClip in the public documents. As for API, HiClip doesn't clearly advertise a public API yet, but given its AI processing backend, API support could be a logical future add-on. So HiClip delivers on a promise many content creators want: repurpose long videos into attention-grabbing short clips with minimal effort. Its automated clipping, subtitle generation, and reformatting make it a powerful time saver. While it may not replace a full video editor for complex projects, for everyday social content and repurposing, it's a very compelling tool. So if you want to try this tool out, I have included the link in the description below. And with that, that's the end of today's review. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful reviews. I'll see you in the next video.